Good morning children. Today I am going to take class 3. Subject is value education. Lesson number 1. Everyone is special. You are special children, right? Be happy with who you are and how you will look. Always you should be happy how you will look by yourself. 2 new students have been admitted to your class. One is very pretty but not very friendly. The other is ordinary looking but has a sweet smile and is friendly. Who will you make friends with? First one, the very pretty one, or second, the ordinary looking but she is very friendly. Options are here. The pretty one, the friendly one. You go with the friendly one, right? Here one story is there. Read this story to know how looks do not matter as much as one's good nature. Understand? Tweety the little bird. Tweety was a very little bird. It was not very pretty. In fact, it was the ugliest bird in the flock. Flock means number of birds traveling together. However, Tweety was very kind and clever. She is very kind and clever. Can you see the picture? Tweety, the bird, the prettiest bird. All other birds ignore it because it was ugly. She is very ugly. Every time it went to play with them, they sent it away. Always they are sending back because she is very ugly. Whenever Tweety felt bad, it remembered what its mother always said. My dear, be proud of what you are. Always remember that you are this way for a very special reason. Always you should proud by yourself. You should not feel bad. One day the king ordered his men to get the prettiest bird for the princess. Okay, the men came to the forest and spread a net to trap the birds. Because the king was ordered to bring the prettiest bird, they are planning what to do. Then they put lots of grains on it and went away. What they have done? They put lots of grains and went it away. One of the birds saw the grains. What they saw? Grains they saw in the ground. It said to the others, "Look there are so many grains on the ground. Let's go and have a feast." They have decided to go have a feast. All the birds fell down to eat the grains. They started eating. They don't know what they are trapped. Before they could realize they were trapped in the net. The king's men saw the trapped birds and came to the spot. They trapped the birds and came to the spot, the king's men. They started looking for the prettiest bird. They want to bring the prettiest bird. No, the king already he ordered. All the birds very pretty. They got confused. Which one I should take? One of them said, "Let's take all the birds to the palace. The king can keep the prettiest one and we can keep the other birds." What they decided, only we will give to king only one prettiest bird, others we will keep with us only. Suddenly one of them spotted the Tweety. They seen the Tweety. Tweety was very ugly bird, right? "Let's not take this ugly bird. The king will get angry with us if he sees it." Saying this, he set Tweety free. They left the Tweety to fly away. Can you see this picture? See. It was lunchtime. The men decided to eat their lunch before going back. They have decided first we'll have lunch, afterwards we will go back. After lunch, they lay down to take a nap. See, under the tree they are taking a nap. In the meanwhile, Tweety quickly went and called all the rats in the forest. As soon as the men fell asleep, the rats are started chewing the nets. Here, the rats, how she is clever. She called all the rats from the forest. They started cutting the net. By the time the men woke up, all the birds had fallen away. What happening? They fall away. They fly away. Tweety had saved them From that day onwards, no one in the forest ever teased or ignored Tweety. She has done well now. She has helped the prettiest birds also. So she became very special. It became a special bird for an ordinary one. It had lots of friends now. She is now very happy, Tweety bird. They have lots of friends. Right? You should do like this only. You should not ignore. What you have learned in this lesson? Always what you have learned? We should give value, self-respect. Understand, children? Shall we move on? Question time. Here filling the blanks is here. First I will show two of them. Rest three you should only do. Tweety was an ugly bird and so the other birds dash it. What answer? Ignored it. Second, the dash order is meant to get the prettiest bird for the dash. What is the answer? King. The king order is meant to get the prettiest bird for the princess. Rest of three you should do by your own. Second man. Write yes or no. Tweety was kind and clever. Yes or no? Right? Yes. The birds flew down to eat fruits? No. I have done only two. Rest of three you should only do by your own. I think you all understand. Thank you. Bye bye.